My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with the IRS. I'm a national expert in IRS resolution matters. Welcome to my YouTube channel. These are short, sweet, to the point. They're about 5 minutes long. I give you the information you need to know. I'm available for consultations, but I welcome questions. Answer all of them for free. Today I want to talk to you about how do you stop IRS threatening letters? How do you stop the collection chain? As a former IRS agent, when I worked there, I used to send out all these letters. Once you file it and you get a debt, you are going to get a first notice, then you get a CP 501, CP 502, CP 504, collection process 504, and then you're going to get a 1058. You can stop these letters at any time by calling IRS. I think you have to understand these cycles run about 6 months long from the time you first owe the bill until the time that you go ahead and take care of it. Some people like to rectify it on the first bill, second bill, third bill, fourth bill, but you better know what you're getting into. So if you get a CP 504, 503, you want to stop the bills, just call IRS. Hey, IRS, I'm here to settle my case or talk to you about my case now. They will stop that billing notice in the process. But let me tell you what that all means. So your first letter, generally your 501, it's a nice letter. You owe the money, pay us. 503 gets ramped up a little more. 504, 6 weeks later, they're ramping that up. It's this final notice before seizure, notice of intent to levy. Don't make a knee-jerk reaction and call IRS. You're going to get another letter. You're going to get a 1058 letter after that. So the key is knowing how IRS is going to handle your matter when you call IRS. So let me tell you how that's going to go. First of all, you want to make sure all your tax returns are filed and they're up to date, number one. Number two, be prepared to give IRS a current financial statement on their form. If it's in a local office, you're going to give them a 433A. If it's in the service center letter, if you got one of your letters, it's going to be a 433F. You need to download that form and complete it because the agent on the other end of the phone is going to be taking that information on you. They're going to want your bank account. They're going to want your wages. They want to know what's going on in your life. Do you have assets? Can you make a payment? Are you truly uncollectible? What they're going to do is they're going to verify the information that you give them on the financial statement. You will send information to you, and there's a chart on how much they're going to allow you to spend on a monthly basis. So you have to understand what that chart is like, and it's called the IRS National Standards Program. The National Standards Program is in every county, every state in the United States. IRS is going to tell you how much you can spend on food and clothing, how much you can spend on housing and utilities, how much you can spend on your car payment, and to operate your cost. IRS after that allows for dollar for dollar. So when you're going to get a letter, you can stop those letters immediately, call IRS, say, IRS, what are we going to do? So you got to remember there's two programs that you can qualify for generally when you call that 1-800 number. You can be put in currently non-collectible or hardship, or you can enter into a payment agreement. Once you understand their financial statement and how it works, you can govern the success you will have based on your current ability to pay. That's all IRS is interested in. Most people are allowed to live on $3,000, $4,000, or $5,000 a month. If you're making $7,000 a month and the IRS national standard and norm says you can only live on $5,000 and you're making $7,000, they're going to want a $2,000 a month payment. If you're truly non-collectible, call yourself. If you're truly in a hardship, call yourself. But if in fact you've got issues, there's a little excess spending going on, don't pick up that phone and call by yourself. And if you don't follow up on that last call when you get your 1058 and 30 days expires, you can expect a wage garnishment or a bank levy, one of the two or possibly both, and a federal tax lien. So you can stop the letters by calling IRS, but make sure your returns are filed and you understand the IRS financial statement, because that's going to govern how IRS is going to close your case. I hope I ripped back the curtain, showed you what's on the inside, how IRS works. I love subscriptions, comments, and a like. Anything you can do to help me, I would appreciate it. I'm always welcome for consultations. Thank you very much.